Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Deborah, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit more about who Maxbounty is, what they are, what they do, and how you can use Maxbounty to make money online every single day. With that being said, we're going to dive deep into Maxbounty here in just a second, but before we do, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so again my name is Dean, and today we're going to be talking a little bit more about Maxbounty. We're going to be going step by step through the affiliate network, where I'm going to be showing you guys some of the different offers that you guys can go and promote with this network, as well as some landing pages that they have. That way you guys can see the quality that they're working with, and then just give you an overall aspect of how you guys can take these offers and promote them to make money online every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys have never actually signed up for Maxbounty before, let's take a look at the actual web page here, not the login page. So this is what it would look like if you guys went straight to Maxbounty. It's just got a little bit of information about them on the front here. So it's just basically a marketing company. You can build your brand in any niche, anywhere. They have proprietary tracking and analytical software. They offer quality leads for the advertisers, and a lot of just blog information. Let's take a little bit more information though about affiliates. So this is mainly what we talk about here with Deborah, is doing the affiliate products, CPA offers, different things like that. So here with Maxbounty, you can promote high converting cost per action campaigns from hundreds of different advertisers seeking for blogging, media buying, social media, and email marketing expertise. They have tons of different verticals. That's one real big thing about Maxbounty. I think they have over 1,500 different offers within their affiliate network, so tons and tons of different CPA offers for you to choose from. Actually, it looks like they have over 2,000 plus active campaigns now, so more, obviously they are growing from the last time that we talked. They offer weekly payments, so that's really nice about Maxbounty. So compared to some of the other networks that do like Net 15 or maybe even Net 30, Maxbounty does offer weekly payments as soon as you get to the minimum threshold, which is $100. So not only is it a quick pay turnaround within payments, but you also have a pretty low threshold, I would say, for this compared to other networks of only $100. So that's one thing that's also nice with Maxbounty, is that they also offer international campaigns, as you guys can see over here. So what that means is they have campaigns all over the world. So within those 2,000 campaigns, you're going to have campaigns that you can promote within the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, maybe Spain, Italy, Germany, pretty much anywhere that you guys can think of. They're going to have some sort of offer on here that you guys are able to promote. And I'll show you guys how to find those in just a second. So that's pretty much it. Signing up is actually very easy. You just come back over here to the top and you go become an affiliate. It'll bring you to this affiliate sign up page where you can just fill out all of your information to get signed up. If you guys want to see more in depth on how to sign up for a Maxbounty account, as well as some tips and tricks for getting approved, I actually did a video on that within the channel previously that you guys can take a look at as well. So make sure you guys check out some of our other videos. We have a lot of great content on there for you guys to choose from. So this is a sign up page. I'm not going to go really into depth with that, just because I've already signed up and I've already made a video on it. So if you guys want to see that, I recommend checking that out. So we're going to go ahead and sign in here. We're going to get into one of our test accounts here that we use mainly just for videos. So let's just see a little bit about Maxbounty and who they are. So this is what Maxbounty looks like after you get approved. This is what it looks like as soon as you log in. This is your dashboard where all of the magic happens. So as you guys can see, they have some promos kind of up here at the top. Max Money is where you can get special bonuses and things for promoting certain offers or certain niches, categories, types of leads. They offer bonuses from I think 10-20% sometimes. So it can be pretty cool, especially if it's something that you're already doing already, to get a little oomph into your money. So yeah, just make sure you guys keep that in mind and check that out if you guys do end up using Maxbounty. So they have a ton of offers, as you guys can see over here. So here are all the new offers So as you can see, there's a lot of keto stuff coming in. It looks like they have a vision ebook that someone could take advantage of. Some herbal sugar balance for diabetes. Looks like a supplement. Looks like some Chrome extensions, so a lot of desktop stuff, Mac stuff, and yeah, so all types of offers as you guys can see. Here's some CBD stuff, some survey stuff, health insurance, diet and weight loss, all of that types of good stuff. Official letters to Santa, from Santa, personalized Christmas stocking. So these are all pretty cool items that you guys can use, especially around the holiday times that you guys see, like right now for Christmas and Black Friday, Thanksgiving, all these types of things you can have offers angled around. So those are some of the new offers that you guys can see here. You can also take a look at some of the top campaigns right here. These are going to be some of the top campaigns that are actually performing the best on the network at the moment. However, keep in mind that this doesn't mean that they're all promoting them from the same way. So we talk a lot here about Facebook advertising, Instagram story ads. Not all of these people are obviously using that. Maybe some of these people have their own affiliate websites set up, their own blogs. Maybe they have YouTube channels. Maybe they have, all types of different ways. Email marketing. Maybe they're really good at email marketing. So these can be promoted all types of different ways. It's not necessarily one source, but these are going to be the top offers that are basically converting currently on the network. So you guys can take a look at some of those. These are trending campaigns, so these are the ones that are maybe new and are on the rise or have had a lot of traction lately in terms of conversions. Max Bounty picks, this just kind of goes off a lot of things that you look at. And then, of course, recently viewed and bookmarked. Those are more like your favorites and things that you have previously just seen. So if you come over here, you do see a little information. You can see your affiliate manager. These are always nice to have, especially because they do give you email support as well as Skype and phone support here. So you have quite a lot of ways to be able to reach out to your affiliate manager. Typically, I always recommend doing Skype unless you're someone who likes talking on the phone. I'm not really a phone person myself, so Skype works out perfectly for me. And my affiliate manager usually is pretty quick. They are pretty knowledgeable, so that's always good. And they always give me a lot of good tips and tricks. Also send me some emails and things that let me know, like, what are some of the best, running campaigns right now. Maybe new things that are happening within the industry in terms of news. So it's kind of cool. They are pretty active. But as you can see over here, we can take a look at some detailed reporting. This will show like reporting based off the month. Again, this is just a test account, so we don't really do too much besides click around in here. You can see things based off sub IDs, reverse leads, all types of things. Now, if you wanted to search for campaigns themselves, you could come over here to search campaigns. You can see just a general right here. However, what I like to do is go to search, and I like to browse by category. So these are the different verticals that you guys can work with, all of the different niches that they have. So sweepstakes is what we talk about a lot here. You can also do surveys or e-commerce, dating, holiday, health, insurance, all types of things as you guys can see here to be promoted. And they also have tons of countries, as you guys can see here too. So all of the popular ones, United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, all of those, they're all obviously on here, plus more, extreme amount more. Probably countries you didn't even think of that you could take advantage of are on here. So obviously this is a great network to start with. That you can also do for mobile optimized. So let's go ahead and break it down. Let's do sweepstakes since we talk a lot about that here. I'm going to do United States because that's where I'm from. And as you guys can see here, they show the actual offer over here. You can hover over this eyeball for a quick little preview if you guys can see that. They tell you the lead type. So these are all pay per lead. Here are the rates, so $1.60, $2.40. These are all the different rates that they would pay once someone actually converts. So EPC, that's going to be earnings per click. That's the typical of what is the average of what's happening for all of this traffic that's being sent to this specific offer here. However, again, like I said earlier, that isn't specific for Facebook or Instagram. This is for everyone. So someone who's doing maybe email marketing or have an affiliate blog could be putting into this as well. and it's not necessarily what you're going to get. So even if something, for example, has something low, that doesn't mean that your EPC is going to be low. Maybe your traffic source or the audience that you're promoting to likes it a lot better and they convert really well. So I would only take this with maybe a grain of salt. It is good to maybe take a look at, but don't rely on this number very much. So let's take a look at some of the offers. So here's like a $1,000 sweepstake offer for Walmart. Here's a Call of Duty game. Let's just take a look at a couple different ones. So Black Friday one. And let's see this one. So here is a $1,000 gift card sweepstake offer on Maxbounty. It's got some description info over here. It'll also let you know some restrictions and things. So if you were running incentive traffic, that would not be allowed. It also tells you that search traffic is not allowed for this specific offer. However, Facebook is allowed, as you guys can see over here. So you can also get a quick brief rundown over here. It pays $1.60 per lead for this offer. There is only for the United States. It is mobile optimized, so you want to make sure you take a look at that. It doesn't expire, and we can take a look at the landing page right here. So this is it. It looks like it would just basically be a few questions and then probably redirect them to just putting in their email. Once they put in their email, that's when we're going to go ahead and get paid the $1.60. And yeah, that's pretty much just how it works. Now, to get it all set up, you would just hit build tracking link. Let's say we were doing Facebook ads. We would just hit social. I'm going to do a raw link. And then now our link is good to go right here. Now, if you needed to set up any tracking, you could set up your sub IDs. So if you're using volume and things like that, you could set that up here, as well as a postback if you needed to do that. But that's pretty much it for that one. Let's take a look at this one here. So this one's just like a Black Friday offer, same sort of thing. Win the iPhone 11. This one's 3 short pages, single opt-in. There are no restrictions for this, so it looks like you can pretty much do everything besides email and incentive. So Facebook ads, Instagram ads, that's good. This one does have a daily cap of 100 actions per day. However, if you did reach this 100 actions and you were sending quality traffic, I would just recommend reaching out to your affiliate manager and letting them know the situation. And a lot of times they are able to up that, especially if your traffic is really good traffic, real good quality. And let's take a look at this landing page. So what I like about this one is it's like Black Friday. So if you guys aren't aware what Black Friday is, it's the day after Thanksgiving, although now it's pretty much starting on Thanksgiving, where there's just tons and tons of sales. People get stuff for free. People just get things for massive discounts. And people literally line up for days like outside of Best Buy and places to get phones and all types of great deals. But anyway, I like these offers a lot because you can really angle them and take advantage of the holidays that are going on right now and promote these offers to make an income for yourself. So basically with this one, it did say 3 short pages, so you probably have to enter your email and do 2 more other things. But then after that, we would go ahead and get paid the $2.40 per lead. So pretty cool. Now, when it comes down to promoting these offers, you might think that, hey, this sounds really great, but how do I actually promote these offers? Well, I'm not going to go too crazy in depth with it just because we have tons of other videos on the channel on how to exactly promote these different offers on different networks like Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, affiliate blogs, with email marketing, all types of different things. I definitely recommend checking them out if you haven't already. But just to give you a brief idea, you guys could take advantage of free traffic on social media and promote these offers with like Facebook groups, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, all the things that I just named a minute ago. You can take advantage of their free traffic that they have and build and grow accounts. Yes, it does take time. However, at the end, it can be very rewarding once you do have an established page set up. The next option, one that I typically recommend, especially if you're starting from scratch and you do have funds to start, is with paid advertising. So running sweepstake offers with like Instagram story ads or Facebook feed ads. Those are obviously things that we talk a lot about here. They work very well. We do a mastermind around them, so make sure you guys check that out in the link below as well. So this obviously tons of people have that working. Now, obviously, the downside of this is it does take money. So maybe you might need to start with free traffic methods and grow up a little income first to be able to do the paid traffic method.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.